In this video, I'll show you how to find your Facebook Business Manager ID step by step. Your Business Manager ID is a unique number that identifies your business account and is often required when working with agencies, partners, or Meta support. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the Facebook account that manages your business. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, select Business Info. Here, you'll see details about your business, including your Business Manager ID or Business ID. The ID is displayed as a unique numeric code. Click the copy icon or manually copy the number if you need to share it with a partner or client. Be sure to copy the entire ID without making any changes. If you can't find the business ID, make sure you're signed in with the correct account and have admin access to the Business Manager. That's how you can quickly find your Facebook Business Manager ID whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.